Well, I hope we don't see the headlines. Couple from Missouri and their dog become missing in Goblin Valley. The fun adventure turned out to be not so fun. Dun dun dun. Welcome to Goblin Valley State Park. All right, we got a special visitor to Utah. We have Jessie and Felix with us. We are set up here with our Taj Mahal tent in front of the Goblin Valley. I can't remember what that mountain's called, but it's by Goblin Valley. Anyway, this is their rig here that they brought, Felix and Jessie. Happy Place Camping is the channel name. Let's go say hi to them.
Okay.
All right, there's the rigs. Everybody say hi. Hi. All right. Are you gonna bark? You gonna bark? You say hi?
Don't nag him. Steve is the dog.
She's wagging her tail. All right, so there's our camp setup. Looks like we have a neighbor over there, but that was unavoidable. It's super busy out here. And then right out here is the Goblin Valley Visitor Center, and then you could maybe see a bunch of cars up on the horizon there. That's where the Goblin Valley is, where you can park and walk down through. See, we're up on this hill, so we got views all the way around. Beautiful. San Rafael swell or reef out there. It's pretty cool. All right, so the tent build this time went a lot easier this time. However, I forgot my hammer, so it was a really struggle getting the stakes in. But aside from that, it went together a lot quicker this time than the first time. So, all right, let's take the grand tour here. We got there's our kitchen table. I got to put the stove on it. We can have a place to cook. We got our chairs. We got a little dust mat there in front of the door, so we're not dragging sand into the tent. And then from our front porch here, we got a nice view of the Goblin Valley and down that canyon there. And off in the distance there is the Henry Mountains, way up there, over 11,000 feet. Some of the biggest deer in Utah are up on that mountain. And all right, let's get inside and let's take a look. All right, because of the slope of the ground, we had to kind of angle Kristy's bed there a little bit. And then I'm right there. It's super hot out here. It's like 80 degrees, so I don't think we need a sleeping bag. We'll just maybe sleep on top. But yeah, we got a nice view out our window. Got our neighbors from Missouri. Happy Place Camping.
Oh.
We'll check it out. I'm making friends in here.
Darby, look.
Oh, what you doing? You gonna be friends? You done growling? Okay, she's not growling at me anymore. That's good.
No.
I might be able to come back with all my fingers. Yeah? Is that okay? You wagging your tail? Is it all right? No? You're talking too much. Shut up. All right, got the master chef in there getting some butter in the pan.
Everything tastes better with butter.
Oh yeah.
And a lot of it.
And we got some broccoli steaming. And right there some butter so we can glaze our salmon steaks. And I got some lemon juice to put on it when we're done. And I got some Cajun blackened seasoning we'll put on it. All right, well there it is. It's getting all sizzled up. Got the salmon. Oh, heck yeah. Oh yeah. Gonna let that cook up good. The broccoli steaming there, that's good. Oh yeah. Alright, we're improvising. I put this percolator pot lid on there like that. That's how you make do in the woods. Alright, looks like we're getting close to being done. Oh, steamed broccoli. And under here we got, oh yeah, well, it's just sizzling in butter. Like, yeah. Alright, we got our meal. What do you think, Kristy? Was it good?
Super good.
As good as that view behind you? And I'm just now getting started on mine. Steamed broccoli and Cajun salmon. Heck yeah, here comes Jessie. Got it, toting his chimichangas.
Yep. Red beans and rice and chicken and cheese.
Right on. Heck yeah, I'm glad I'm not sleeping with you tonight.
We'll have the windows open.
I got a friend. He just flew in and landed on my hand. Be free. All right, we got the pro in action over here. I gotta check it out. I see butter deliciousness going on in there. Heck yeah. All right, great job on the prep. Now we're gonna wait for those briquettes to finish up, and then we'll stick that on there and cook it up. All right, we'll take a look. Oh yeah, it smells so good too. So done. All right, we've turned in for the night. We have our little heater going right there. Just take the chill off the tent before we get in bed, but have our cot set up in our beds. It's gonna be a good night. So in the morning when it's chilly, we can take the chill off the tent. All right, breakfast is almost ready. Kristy's got the heater going. It's a little breezy out here this morning. It's a little chilly. Yeah, we got our bacon all cooked up and just waiting for the eggs. We have a nice breakfast, huh? Yeah. And look at this beautiful sunrise we got. Well, that's not the sun, but that sun's hitting that butte like it's just, oh yeah. Heck yeah, that's a breakfast of champions right there. Look at that view and everything. All right, we made it to Goblin Valley. This is the overlook plus the trailhead to walk down through the Hoodoos there. And it is like nowhere else. All right, we found ourselves to Goblin Valley once again. Yeah, we're walking down through the Hoodoos here. And we have special guests of Happy Place Camping, Felix and Jessie and Darby. They're seeing the goblins for the first time, so hopefully they think it's as cool as we think it is. All right, now's your chance. It's pretty awesome because we're hitting this valley on a Saturday, and but we're at 8 a.m. so we're missing the crowds. We pretty much have the place to ourselves right now. There's only like 3 cars in the parking lot, but guaranteed, with the amount of campers we saw on the side of the road and people, this place is going to be swarming with people come, what, 9:30, 10 o'clock, I'll bet.
Yep, after everyone eats breakfast.
Yeah. But we were up before first light, having breakfast, getting ready for the day, so early bird gets it to themselves. It's such a cool place. Whoa, there's a goblin! There's a goblin! Whoa. That's cool. You just like walked out of that rock. Super neat. That goblin's grown a person. Ah! Wow, right on. Holy cow, look at how big that guy is. Hey, we're holding hands. Not really, but kind of. Yeah, the monkeys. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, yeah. There we go. Here's a view of the valley. This is the one that's closest to the parking area.
Look at that huge group up there.
Oh, it's the caravan.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. The land of the goblins. Oh, look at that little archy thing right there. That is awesome. And let's see if we can get the sun in the middle of it. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Cool.
What you picking? Big old goblin nose poking out of the dirt?
Dang it.
All right, we're entering into the top part of this canyon. It looks like it kind of dead ends a little bit or something. Oh, well, that's cool. Slot Canyon. Sweet.
Yeah, they ain't cut up this one.
No. we'll turn around and try to hook up with them, figure out where they're at. Lost in the Goblins. Yeah, look at this cliff face, it's pretty cool.
A lot of tree bark. What looks like tomato.
Well, you sure can get turned around in the Goblins. We lost Happy Place Camping. I mean, literally, we're in the same canyon, but with all these mazes of hoodoos, we can't find them. We'll try a little bit more. We had a plan to finish the loop, but I don't know if the loop was doable with the dog, so I don't know. We'll look a little bit more. All right, well, we went up this as far as we dare go, and the trail got pretty sketchy, so we're turning around. So I don't know where they went. So we'll just hustle back to the main area.
Right.
Well, I hope we don't see the headlines. Couple from Missouri and their dog become missing in Goblin Valley. The fun adventure turned out to be not so fun. Dun dun dun. All right, we're almost back to the parking lot. I think I see him standing up there. So they must have snuck by us somehow and got up to the hill. Yeah, he just waved back, so they found us, or we found them, whatever. We went in the canyon twice looking for them. No luck. All the while, they're back here at the parking lot. What the heck? I don't know how we missed them, but man, we missed them. All right, we made it back to the parking lot, and they're back here sipping cold water. We're down there sweating, running back and forth. There's Kristy. Anyway, it was a fun meetup with you guys. Appreciate you coming out to Utah and saying hi. Really appreciate it.
Thanks for showing us this. This is awesome.
Yeah, Goblin Valley is just one of a kind. It's really neat.
Yep.
Well, thanks again for joining us for camp. That was awesome.
Yep. Had a great time.
Happy Place Camping. Make sure you check their channel out. It's awesome. Hey, check it out. London bridges. I just hope they don't come falling down.